Hey, welcome to Business Uncomplicated. Today, we want to give you the 3 steps to optimize your business. Every business has inefficiencies, and every business can benefit from putting more automation in place. We talk a lot about automation and efficiency on this channel, and it's because it's so important. It's because it's how your business grows. So, the 3 things you need to do is first assess your business. We talk about the biggest pain points. What's the problem in your business? What's the bottleneck that is preventing you from spending more time with your clients or spending more time on value-driven activities? So let's identify those items. So I would make a stack rank of the bottlenecks you have and prioritize them. What are the most critical issues and what are the most simple issues to potentially solve? Then you're going to identify what quick wins are. So a quick win is something that can be done in a couple of days or a couple of weeks. It's the low-hanging fruit that allows you to just remove some of those barriers. And honestly, the quick wins feel good and it feels like you're making progress. Then tackle the bigger items. Bigger items might be integrating between systems. It might be consolidating systems. It might be taking a spreadsheet and automating it. It could be something really simple or really complicated, but either way, the implementation piece is next. Then implement the changes. Now, when you implement the changes, you want to be thoughtful because implementation comes with change management. Every time you make a change to your business, you need to make sure yourself and the others around you are prepared for that change and are willing to accept and continue to work in this new way. If you don't change the behaviors when you implement new processes and new systems, then it might result in failure, and you don't want to do that. So during implementation, you want to take the as is and bring it to the to be. The new to be process and system should drive growth, should reduce manual tasks, it should automate your business, and it should free up you and your resources to do value-added activities. We talk about value-added activities. Value-added activities are you focusing on sales, marketing, things that drive growth, working with your customers to make sure that they are well taken care of, happy, and want to stay with you for a long time. These sound like really complicated, even though I said there's 3 of these steps. It's not. It's just starting in a place, and you're going to end in a better place. We do this all the time for our clients. We'd love to help you. Please reach out. We'll talk to you soon.